Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nadia and this is Alice in Wonderland. In today's video, I'm going to do an honest review on one of Honey Birdette's latest collections, the Jasmine set. So the Jasmine set is this beautiful turquoise colored bondage collections which Honey Birdette released recently. She truly is beautiful and one of a kind. It's the first turquoise colored bondage set I've ever seen released by Honey Birdette. As much as I had my reservations because I generally tend to gravitate towards black and more neutral colors, she's actually stunning in person and I'm pleasantly surprised. I definitely like the look of her in real life much more than on the website and on the models. And yeah, she's just such a vibrant bold color, and it's just really nice and different, and I really can't wait to show you guys as well. I got the full set, which included the bra, the suspender, the thong and the open back brief. This is what the brief looks like from the back. It's absolutely stunning. Aside from these, I also got the matching bondage cuffs and the matching stockings. Without further ado, let's get straight into fitting. So this is what the Jasmine set looks like on me, guys. And as I mentioned before, she is an absolutely stunning color. I really love how it really stands out against my tan complexion as well. And yeah, it's just such a nice vibrant blue. I didn't realize that I would like it so much, but I absolutely do. And she's so much more stunning in real life than in photos, I would say. And that's how the brief looks like from the back. As I mentioned, it's absolutely stunning. The strappy design really just showcases your derriere and makes them look really good. Sizing wise, I got my usual sizes in everything. So the bra is 10E and everything else is extra small. I find the bra fits me true to size. Don't mind the pasties, I'm just trying to keep it YouTube safe, but yes, it actually fits me really well in the cups and also in the band, and it's true to size 10. As for the suspenders and the brief, I do find that the suspenders run quite big. This is extra small, and as you can see, I still have quite a lot of room at the front, and especially around where my waist is the smallest, it just looks a bit roomy. And unfortunately with the satin, because it tends to like fold and wrinkle quite easily, it just like sits there looking folded and wrinkled aside from instead of like looking nice and smooth, which annoys me a bit. Having said that, it's not too bad, and I feel like I can possibly take it to a tailor and alter it if I really want to. Although, it's just a bit annoying that your normal size doesn't fit you properly and you have to go through all this extra effort just to make it fit. If only Honey Birdette just made like a smaller size, maybe an extra small, so I can just get it exchanged for that instead. That would be amazing. But another way I've tried to solve this issue is also to wear the suspenders a bit lower than I normally would. So when it's a bit lower, it doesn't do that as much. Yeah, it does still look good, but I'm just a bit of a perfectionist and it's just annoying me a bit that it's a bit baggy. As for the brief, I do find that it's true to size. I have nothing to complain about. I'm absolutely obsessed over the back design, and I'm just so in love with it. What I really like about this set as well is that it's super versatile. So I can literally remove so many different things and get a different look from the pieces. So for example, I can easily remove this part of the collar from the bra and make it more of a more simplistic design. And not just that, I can also fully remove the leg garters out of the suspenders. And when I do that, it's just like a different set altogether. So this is what she looks like without all the extra attachments and the leg garters, and it's still absolutely stunning. I truly like that as well. And yeah, it's really cool that you can even remove the chains from the pieces. What do you call them? They're just like these attachments where you can just hook and unhook them any way you want. And I've seen people hook them in front of the bra as well, like this, as an alternate design, which I also really like. And you can do the same with all the chains that are on the suspenders and also the brief, which is nice. A bit of chains is always nice. So yeah, with the suspenders, when you remove the leg garters, I also find that, you know, it works really well as a belt basically. So you can wear it as outerwear if that is your jam. It's definitely mine. But yeah, this would look so cute over dresses and clothes and different kinds of outerwear. As for the other pieces of the Jasmine collection, I did get the thong as well. This is the thong. I'm usually a thong person, but this time I definitely prefer the brief. The thong is just a normal, simplistic T-back design. I have no issues with it. I just find that this brief cut is extra flattering. So I'm not even going to keep the thong, I don't think. And as for the bondage cuffs, I only realized when my order came that they have these massive rings in front of them, and they are basically the same size as the rings I unattached from my collar. And if you look at my wrist, unfortunately I have really small wrists, so that massive ring sitting on my wrist really does not look right or proportional. So I don't think that it will suit me. I'm 100% that it will not, in fact. And so I will not be even opening this packaging because I'm thinking of returning it. Like, it's definitely not going to sit right on me, unfortunately. But yeah, aside from that, we also have the stockings, which I haven't talked about. I actually am pleasantly surprised with the stockings as well. It's a beautiful, beautiful turquoise color. So these are the stockings, and they haven't got any of the back seams which Honey Birdette always has with all their colored stockings, which I really like, because again, I think I'm just a perfectionist, but those back seams always like give me a bit of anxiety, because whenever I move, I'm just always so concerned that, you know, they're not centered anymore, so they don't look perfect anymore. So I'm just like, you know, constantly having to adjust it. It's just nice not to have that back seam to worry about anymore. Not to mention, these stockings actually feel really quite nice and sturdy, and they're also a nice surprise as compared to the previous stockings they've released with the Linda C, which had a lot of issues. So I'm really quite happy with the stockings which came with my Jasmine set, and I really have nothing to complain about. What makes me even happier is that these stockings match perfectly with another Honey Birdette set I already have, the Christine Turquoise. As you can see, it's a perfect color match with the blue. and it makes me really happy because I missed out on the Christine turquoise stockings, so it's nice that I've got these stockings to match with them as well. So yeah, I'm really happy about that. So that's my review on the Jasmine collection. I really hope that you guys found this helpful. And also, I need to say a special thanks to one of my lovely fans who helped make this review video a reality. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. I also really hope you guys out there find this video helpful, and if you do, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I really hope to see you next time. See ya!